It was goody two shoes, YouTube. In the last clip I showed y'all the timing belt broke. I put a new one on, and we only got compression in one cylinder. Only piston 3 got compression. So I'm pretty sure the valves is bent. I'm gonna pull the head off. I got the chest cam. We're gonna get busy, get this shit done. Might just see what condition the head's in. Then I'll go ahead, change the valves or just get another head. But this motor is definitely coming out of this car. I'm putting an H22 back in here, and I might just put this motor in the wagon and boost it. Let's get to it. Alright, we back. Turbo. See the oil. Here. Turbine housed inside. And if you look closely, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but there's some oil. Some oil right there in the screen. If you take a look, you can see it. Alright, let's see what we got. 1 bent, 2 bent, 3 bent, 4 bent. Those straight. It's the only cylinder that was firing. If you look closely, this one is bent, and this one is bent as well. So straight, 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 straight. These look a bit questionable. I'm gonna have to do a leak down on those.